back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Man, I'm loving the color, just the surroundings around me this morning. It's a different vibe from where we were at yesterday. Same location, same Dairy Queen and everything. So very interesting to see the change in the vibe. So what are we here doing? What are we here trying? Well, Dairy Queen's fall menu is out, and I just tried the Cinnamon Bun Centers Blizzard yesterday. I hate when people just randomly pull up. Hey guy, hey, what's up? You know, you could have parked anywhere else. But anyways, so we have the Snickers Brownie Blizzard, right? Caramel topping, brownie pieces, and Snicker pieces loaded up in here. So we ain't gonna waste any time getting to this review, right? Oh, man. The spoon is making it impossible to do a thumbnail. All right, so yeah, as I said, 3 indulgent combinations, and here we go. Let's try it out. Ooh, the dynamic here. The chewy, fudgy brownie pieces mixed with crunchy Snicker pieces. They absolutely knew what they were doing when they drew this up on the drawing board. I just love this. You know, yesterday I enjoyed the gooey cinnamon bun pieces that came in the Cinnamon Bun Centers or Cinnamon Roll Centers Blizzard. I really did. I enjoyed it. But this brings a whole different dynamic. And here's another look here. Maybe that's my thumbnail. I don't know. But, you know, I'm a sucker for chocolate. And you can't beat, you can't beat brownies with chocolate. I mean, you can't beat brownies with ice cream. And B, when you mix in some candy pieces, oh my goodness, it's over. And then that undertone of caramel flavor too, because that's mixed in. It's so divine. And that's not to discredit the Cinnamon Bun Blizzard by any means. But, you know, that's just a more straightforward Blizzard. I think it had cream cheese. And then, you know, it was really good. It was, you know, maybe not quite the quality of a Cinnabon Cinnamon Bun, but it was good. This, though, to me, is next level. Apologies, next level. Absolutely next level. Crunch, chew, rich chocolate flavor. And the caramel kind of comes in there too and adds that really nice dynamic as well. So yeah, if you have a Dairy Queen near you, I give this one a 10 out of 10. Very good combinations here. Credit to Dairy Queen. Has me really excited to try the Heath Brownie Confection. Really think that's going to be solid. And then, you know, we'll have to see about this caramel mocha chip shake that they also have. Anyways, is there anything else you would like me to review? Tell me if I haven't reviewed the pumpkin pie blizzard. I will do it. Tell me if I haven't reviewed Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. I will also review that. I'll probably do my research on both of those just so I know whether I've reviewed it or not. But I love your suggestions. Anyways, that's it for this one. And I will see y'all around.